Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Priyanshu Placement Solution. Friends, today's video will discuss the Capgemini latest pseudocodes. Okay, that is asked in today's only. Okay, so let's start the video, friends. If you know new our YouTube channel, then friends you need to join our YouTube channel because friends we daily upload placement material as well as hiring updates. Okay, and friends, if you not join our Telegram channel, friends, please go to Telegram and join this channel as well. And friends, this is the our channel link. Okay, if you unable to join by this link, friends, you can go to Telegram and search Priyanshu Placement Solution. So friends, then you will get the Telegram channel. Okay, and you need to join because friends, here we daily upload the placement material plus solution, question plus solution, and you can see this, right? And hiring as well. Okay, so let's discuss the pseudocodes. So friends, this is our first pseudocode of today's video. So in this pseudocode, friends, as you can see, the value of a is 2 and the value of b is nothing but a 3. So a function is given, and friends, in the function one if statement is executed if condition is true, and else friends return is executed. Okay, so let's check. So first we check the condition, right? So a plus b means friends 5, right? So 5 is greater than 3. Yes, 5 is greater than 3, condition true. And friends, a plus b nothing but a 5, and 5 is less than 10. Yes, condition is this also true. So friends, this is whole condition true. Why? Because friends, here is the AND operator. In the AND operator, friends, both condition are checked, right? Left side as well as right side. So then friends, return statement is executed because friends, if condition is true, then return function a plus 1. A plus 1 means friends, a plus 1 means 3, right? And the value of b now, b minus 5. So b minus 5 means friends 3 minus 5, it means friends 2, right? It means that 2. Now friends, let's check again, and I remove this 5 and 3. So let's check. So now friends, the value of a is 3 and value of b is minus 2. So a plus b means friends 1. A plus b means friends 1. Okay, so now 1 is greater than 3. No friends, condition is false. Then friends, return 2 plus b. 2 plus b is written. So 2 plus b. B is what friends? Minus 2. So 2 minus 2 is nothing but a 0, friends. Okay, so 0 is returned, friends, by this program. Okay, I hope you got it. So let's move on the next question. So next question is friends PQR, and the value of PQR is 4, 2 and 12, right? So let's check the condition. 3 is greater than 2. Yes, condition is true. And Q XOR with P. Q XOR with P. How to find XOR operation, right? So let's check out. So Q, the value of Q is 10. Why 10? This is not a 10, friends. This is 1 0 in the binary conversion of 2, right? And the value of P is 4. So 4 is, how I write 4? 1 0 0. 4 is written as 1 0 0. Right? So we need to find the XOR operation. As I told friends in my previous video that if the same bit, then the output is 0. If the different bit, then output is 1 in the XOR operation. So here the same bit 0, different 1, different 1. So this is convert in the decimal, we get 6, right? So 6 is greater than, let's check the value of P is 4. Condition is true. No friends, condition is false. So it is directly written a P plus Q plus R. That is friends 18, right? Why 18? Because friends 12 or 2 14, 14 and 4 18. I hope you got it this question, friends. Okay, in the next question, friends, P equal to 9, Q equal to 8 and R equal to 7. Friends, just tell me what I आपसे मैं क्या कहूँ, what is your like, आपसे क्या कहें, friends कहें, guys कहें, students कहें. Okay, just comment out. Okay, which word you comfortable with, friends, guys or students, right? So let's move on this question. So P equal to Q, P equal to 9, Q equal to 8 and R equal to 7, right? So in this question, friends, again the XOR operation is there. Friends, in the today's slot questions, friends, there are many XOR types questions are there in the exam, friends. Okay, so we need to practice on the XOR and or 3 operation, right? 3 operators are there. That is mainly asked in Capgemini, right? So let's discuss this question. So Q XOR with R, the value of Q is nothing but a 8. How we write it? 1 0 0 0. And the value of R is 1 1 1. Why 1 1 1? Because 7 is written as 111 in the binary system. Okay, then friends, let's do the XOR first. So XOR, as I told, 1 1 1 1. Why 1 1? Because friend, different bit 1 and same bit 0. So here all are different, right? 1 0 0 1 0 1 and 0 1. That's why 1 1 1. So this code is written as, what is the value of decimal in these, friends? 1 5. That is 15, right? So 15 is greater than r. The value of r is nothing but a 7, friends, right? So condition is false, so this is not executed. Then we return directly p plus q plus r, friends, right? So the value of p is 9, 8 and 7, right? So you need to add all these three values and you can return the answer. Okay, so let's move on the next question. Now friends, in this question what we have to do, this is very simple question and it take only 10 seconds so for solving, right? How you can solve it, friends? This is a print is palindrome. Okay, print is palindrome, right? So is palindrome is basically find the, if the number is palindrome then return 1, else return 0, and substring find the, friend, substring of the string. So for example, here is the string 1, so str1 is nothing but a ql 4 times q, right? Then first index is nothing but a 1, so the value is 1, and friends here is 2, so here we take the less than value, right? So एक कम लेते हैं यहाँ से, right? We will take less one value, one less value, right? So here is 2, so we take the only 1 till the 1 first index, till the first index. So 1 to first index, friends, nothing but we get the L by this statement. By this statement, friends, we get the 1, sorry, not 1, L, right? L is written by this statement. And is palindrome, check the string is palindrome or not. So friends, L is the basically palindrome. Why? Because friends, we can read from right side or we can see read from left side. We read only L, right? Every single alphabet is a palindrome. Every single alphabet is a palindrome. So here L is a single alphabet, so it is a palindrome. So these function or this pseudocode return or print the 1. Okay, I hope you got it this question, friends. Okay, so let's move on the next question. So let's discuss, friend, next question. Next question is p q r and the way q, right? Here the q is changed, right? So friends, let's change the q. So q equal to 1 plus 8, nothing but a 9. 9 plus r is 16, right? So the value of q is now 16. Okay, so the value of q is 16. Okay, sorry. So now for each r from 2 to 4, now friends, this r value is not useful, right? These are the new r values 2 to 4. Okay, so this loop is executed, the value is 2, 3 and 4. These three value is executed by these for loop, right? So let's check out. So discuss करते हैं हम इसको. So in these, friends, I just change the color. कौन सा कलर लेना है? ग्रीन नहीं लिया आज है ना, ग्रीन ले लेते हैं. So friends, each r from 2 to 4. So first we take the r equal to 2, right? R equal to 2. First we take the r equal to 2. Then friends, q equal to q plus p. Q equal to q plus p. The value of q is 16 and the value of p is 5. So 5 plus 16 is 21, right? So now the value of q is 21. So next, friends, r is incremented. Then again for the value of r, again q equal to q plus p. The value of p is 5, the value of q is 21. So 21 plus 5 is nothing but a 26. Then friends, again r is incremented. Then the value of r is 4 and again this line is executed. Q equal to q plus p. So let's we add 26 plus 5 is 31, right? So we get the q equal to 31, right? We get the final answer q equal to 31. Then friends, t equal to, then loop is executed. We done with our loop, right? Again r is incremented by 5, but we no need to execute at 5. Why? Because here the range is only 4 till 4, right? Then friends, p equal to p plus 7. So the value of p is 5 and plus 7 is nothing but a p equal to 12, right? Now we need to add both. So what is the answer? 43. 43 is your answer. Why 43? Because p plus q. P plus q is 43. I hope you got it. So let's move on the next question. So let's discuss this last question, friends. P equal to 6, q equal to 8 and r equal to 6. Then p equal to p plus q. P equal to, friends, p plus q means 14, right? right guys. So let's change this to 14. Next is q equal to p. Q equal to p means q equal to p, the value of p is 14, so q is also 14. Okay, so let's check the if condition now. 1 plus 5 is 6 is less than equal to less than not equal to less than 9 minus p. 9 minus p means 9 minus the value of p is 14, so 5. So condition is true? No, condition is not true. So we just simply p plus q plus r, the value of p is 14, the value of q is 14, and the value of r is nothing but a 6. It is not changed. So you can add this and you will get the answer. What is the answer? 34. I hope everyone got it, all these questions that we take in this video. So friends, this is all about today's videos in pseudocodes. So I hope you got it, every question. If you have any doubt in any pseudocode, you can comment out or you can ask me personally as well friends, but you can try first comment. If I not give an answer in the comment box in 24 or 48 hours, then you will go to personal chat, no issue, and every link is given in the description for contact, for joining the group, and for this Telegram channel as well. So friends, I suggest you please join this channel and share this channel, Telegram channel as well as YouTube channel to your junior, your senior, because friends, for senior we daily upload the hiring, not daily but yes, we'll upload hiring as many possible, and we upload syllabus as well, and we upload everything in our YouTube channel related to your engineering, right, with CSIT, or you're related to campus preparation, right. And friends, we decide to start a series for 2022, or anyone can join free of cost on YouTube. And so you just suggest me what series will start, है ना. I already create a poll on community tab, so you go and check out in our YouTube channel, है ना, ऊपर जाके check कर लेना. We'll provide one post, so you can check out this post. In that post friends, I will share you it. So friends, this is our YouTube channel. If you go to our YouTube channel and friends find the community, right, go to community, and here is a one, yes, here friends we created this poll, है ना. You what series you want, TCS NQT programming question, series based question, Python CPP series continue, then we start the another things, right. So you can do anything, है ना. You can please poll this, right. Okay, then we will start anything, है ना, just poll it. Okay, इस poll के according we will start new series on our YouTube channel. Okay friends, so go and poll these friends. Okay, I hope you got it every point, and thank you for watching this video friends. Please share this video to every function, every friends, okay, who are preparing for Accenture, right. And if you are 2022 pass out, so I suggest you start preparing by watching our all videos daily, on the daily basis, so at a time of placement you are ready to appear in any placement drive, right. So I hope everyone got it, every question. So thank you friends, let's meet on the next video. Thank you.